Hey my lovelies, it's Desi from Creativity, and today I'm just going to go over how to do photo captions. There are two ways to do this. You can either do it via code or you can do it via an image URL, so if that makes sense. But I'll show you how to code it first and then I'll go through how to do it as an image. So essentially the codes you're going to use are the div style codes, and from there it can be as long or as short as you would like it. So the first thing I would usually go is go with your font family. You can go with any font that you want for this. Just play around with it. I say font family. You can also do it as font. So go through. Basically, use any header 1 codes, header 2 codes. You can use any of those. So even if I pulled up, say, a layout of mine. Any of my layouts, if I wanted to say copy when I find it, H2, you can literally just copy that and put it in the div style code, and then put whatever you'd like. Make sure you close it with a div, click edit, go back to caption, and there you go. That is what it's going to look like. You can adjust it from there, so you can then go width and make it like 250, if you want it smaller, if you want it bigger. This is how you do it essentially. So you can do it that way as well, or you can do it by hand. So like I say, the first thing I would normally do is font family. Let's just go with anything. I'm just trying to think. Oh, I'm trying to think now. Let's do Babus New. We don't need to do, oh yeah, font size. Let's do 10px. Font weight lighter. Line height, let's do that as 9. Colour, we'll just make it black. Background, if you wanted, actually let's do a reverse one. So background, we'll do that as black. Or text white, background black. We'll do a padding of 2. We'll do width of say 250, like I said before. Height I'm not too bothered about. If I want to do border, then just do border. Let's do 3px solid, 3px double. Let's make that AE. I don't know. I'm just throwing ideas out for you. Just to give you an idea of what you can actually put here. So I've got font, I've got font size, I've got weight, I've got line height, I've got colour, I've got background, got padding, got width, got border. That's 10 things. What else can I put in there just to show you what you can do? We'll leave it like that. So close it, preview. I don't know, I'm just giving you an idea. If you then wanted to credit, you can do it however you want, but I'm just going to show you this way, and then edit, go back to your captions, and there you go. That's like as simple as you can get it. If you wanted it higher, obviously if you've got more text, let's just say we're just going to copy that 3 times. It will expand to how you want it to fit. So that is doing it via code, and like I say, it is literally just the div style code, and you can play around with this. With fonts, you can also go to Google Fonts, which will give you some font ideas and what you want to use. You can go on to, I think if I'm right, you can do, yeah, like you can Google div styles and how to do div style tags, and stuff like that, but you can generally use anything. In order to do it as an image, you want to do it as image src, put the image link in, and you just make it this way. Sorry, I've been making other stuff. You would specify the height and width because obviously you're doing it as a thingy. You can make it a lot smaller. This, I'm just giving you an example. I don't know, I'm just giving you an idea. I'm just making up a random quote or something just for Desi. You can then add your font, so let's just put light. That font is completely messed up, but it's fine. Let's just darken that, put that behind, make that fancy by giving a drop shadow to it, maybe even a lighter one. I can then put a fancy border on it if I want to. I say a fancy border. Like I say, you can customize this however you want. I'm just giving you ideas. So once you're happy with that, you will then click save. Yeah, save as a PNG, photo caption. Open up your image hosting website. Then go photo caption, click copy the link, make sure it's a direct link, copy that in there, click edit, click back, there's your caption. So I hope that makes sense. So you can play around with this however you want to. It's your freedom, it's your style, however you want to do it. You can either do it by a div style code, or you can do it by image like I've shown, or you can even copy and paste if it's from your layout, if you want that style. This is flexible. The amount of people who have asked me how to do this, and I've gone over it several times, but hey, we're back at it. I want to make sure that you guys understand. If you do have any questions, please come to me. I'd like to know if things work. If people get confused, I'm not going to know if people don't tell me. So please tell me. I like to know. It helps me with feedback. So yes, that's everything. I hope that makes sense, and I'll catch you guys real soon.